Hi guys, so welcome back to my car vlog. And today I'm going to do something that I've wanted to do it for a very long time for my car, which is to lower my car. So currently my car is still running on the stock M Sport absorbers and spring, and the gap is about 3 fingers from the fenders, from the tires to fenders. So I wanted it to be a bit more lower. Well, M Sport edition is I think lower than the Sport editions by 1 cm, if not mistaken. So yeah, I want the sportier look. So I have been doing a lot of surveys and research, but I didn't do it before this because the car was still under warranty, and now the warranty is over. So I decided to take the leap of faith. So yeah, I think many of you are also aware that if you want to lower your car, the proper way is to change the right absorbers and the right lowering spring, so that they will last. But many opted for the cheaper way, which is to change the lowering spring only, but they still use the stock absorbers, and that actually will speed up the deterioration of your stock absorbers. But yeah, and so at first I thought I wanted to change to the Bilstein B12 Pro kit, which comes with the absorbers and the lowering spring, or the B8, which is the shorter version of the absorbers and a lowering spring of your own choice. But then after I consult with my F20 gangs, so they said actually if my car is a M Sport, it's already using an M Sport absorber, so I may not need to actually change the full set, which is the absorber and the lowering spring. So I can actually go for lowering spring plus the M Sport absorber. So yeah, this is a very good news for us because it helped me to save a lot. Because if you're changing the full set, absorber and lowering spring together, Bilstein, I think it would easily cost about 5,000 ringgit, more or less. And then if I only change the lowering spring, it will only cost me 1,000 plus ringgit. So yeah, and then then after I compared the two famous spring manufacturers, which is the H&R and Eibach, so I decided to go for the H&R because the H&R one is said to be a bit more lower, but they say H&R is a bit stiffer than the Eibach one. And then it's okay, I think we can get used to it. So now I'm heading to the workshop, Racing Z, again, the Sungai Long branch, to get my lowering spring installed. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is my H&R lowering spring. I'm just gonna Leave the car. So it's a very busy workshop here, Racing Z, Bandar Sungai Long, and just gonna leave my car here and yeah, let them fix the new spring. I'm going to for lunch, and I'll try to shoot some of the action scene if possible. So finally, after 4 hours, it's done. Let's see how low it can go. So this is the before setup, which is about three finger gap. There's the rear part, and this is the front. Also, we've got 3-finger gap. So now, previously it was 3 fingers, and now only you have to squeeze your 2 fingers in. Nice. And the rear is yeah, previously you can squeeze 3 fingers in, and now it's just 2 fingers. Now just need to finish the alignment, and we are good to go. Okay, so yeah, after 4 hours, took me good 4 hours, but the result, the outcome, the look, it's just damn nice, man. So now it's time to try it out and see how it does it feel with the lower ring spring. So the look is looks really nice. The car sits lower now, and yeah. Then I'll be keeping the old M Sport spring just in case. And if I'm happy with this H&R lowering spring, then I'll consider selling the M Sport springs to my F20 members. So far the feeling is okay. Doesn't feel any difference on the smooth surface. And perhaps the M Sport spring is already lowered, so the feeling is not so significant. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated with the new lowering spring experience, and I'm looking forward to spirited drive with my F20 members, all the 1 Series gang. So yep, and that is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.